Once we've started our balance sheet, press New Order, we're taken to this screen. From here, we have the option just to start scanning and taking new orders. But before we get with that, I'm going to take you through a little bit of navigation over different parts of the software. At the top, we have the toolbar. These buttons are generally always available. You have the hamburger menu that takes you to the POS, this first section, which has a subsection below, the orders, the balance sheet that we were just at, and the daily report, if you have access to that, that allows you to close the day. And then if we have options for gift cards, you'd also see this as well. The home screen will take us to whatever is laid out on our home page. It might be categories or departments or different types of menus. It's going to depend on the setup for your location. And we also have a magnifying glass. This brings up a side menu, which has a different menu or the same menu. It just depends, again, how you have your system set up and what you need from the different sections of the software. Then we have the orders, and you may or may not see orders from other terminals or from other customers. You might see different types of orders, like purchase orders or retail or a pickup or to go. You can also look up closed orders, and the closed orders may or may not be available for all the registers or just you. It just depends on the setup. You can then do types of filters for the orders if that's also available to you, and perhaps a filter for employees if that's available to you as well. Anytime you scan an item, it's going to either add that to an existing order that you're already assigned to, or it will start a new order. So if we don't have any new active order, and we'll just do an example, we'll just scan an item and it started a new order and added that item we scanned onto the order. Padlock will just log you out. Edit cart will allow you to do this view. This is the edit cart view. If you got to check out, it's the payment view. So this toggles between these two views here. You can also start a new transaction from this button that suspends that other transaction under orders, and you can always come back to that later on. So if we hit new order, we just scan another item and we've started the transaction. That is basic navigation.